All right, we got kind of a fun problem to solve today. We're up in the bathroom and my wife says the hairdryer does not work. So, okay, is it the hairdryer or is it the outlet? So you start pressing these buttons on the hairdryer, right? The reset button, the test button, and nothing. So what is going on? An outlet in your bathroom, how do you get it working again? Now, of course, I am not an electrician whatsoever, just a DIYer, a problem solver. So take everything you see here with a grain of salt and always call a licensed electrician to do any electrical work. So the first thing I'm doing is detecting outlets or the actual hairdryer, right? It does work on another outlet outside of the bathroom. So I know that both outlets in my bathroom indeed are something's going on, right? So what I'm going to do here is I have a kid's night light and I'm going to make sure that it works. And by the way, if you're just joining me in this video and in this channel, welcome. Click the like button and share with your friends and family if you think they would benefit from this. Okay, back to business here. So here's the actual night light. It's going to be turned on and I'm just testing here again to make sure that it indeed is the outlet that has no power. And there's no GFI breaker on the actual outlet, so there's no button to actually press. So what we're going to do is go down to the basement to the breaker box, and by the way, I made this cool little concealing kids mirror thing for a dress-up station. You can search my channel if you want to know how to conceal your breaker box, but that's another story. And nothing has tripped on the breakers. Check this out. Everything seems to be pushed over. So it's not a breaker issue down here. So would you like to guess? What do you think is going on? We'll latch that back up. Look at that. Can't even tell it's there. Magic. So what do you think's going on? So our bathroom's in the very upstairs on the second floor. But if you come down to the first floor, I bet, look at that. There's our GFIC or GFCI or whatever it's called, the grounded one with the little test button in the outlet. I bet that's connected to the same line, so to speak, electric line, and that has popped. Yeah, check it out. You can see the button there. So let's press that reset button, and let's make sure that one works, because that one didn't work either. We had 3 bathroom outlets that didn't work. Let's go back upstairs. There we go. It's working again. So our child, had to actually press that button when he washes his hand. Hey, mister. He just helps himself and presses that little button on the first floor in the bathroom. And that is a big no-no. So we got to talk to him about that. But anyway, that was indeed the issue. So go around. Moral of the story here, if your bathroom outlet's not working, call an electrician if you need to. But go around and look for an outlet on the same track, so to speak, and press that reset button. And that hopefully can take care of it. Thank you so much.